Hey guys, my father-in-law just got this JBL 5.1 speaker delivered. He ordered it a couple of days ago, and I thought I was there. I saw this package coming in. I thought let's do an unboxing video with you together. And so here we are. It's quite a big package, as you can see. So let's open it. We're very excited about this about this soundbar. He had a soundbar for a couple of years now, but he thought it's time for something new. So, and he asked us, what would you buy? And we said, well, we have a few products from JBL. Sound quality is always really good. So we recommended him to buy a JBL soundbar. So he did. So this is the 5.1 big package. So let's see what's inside. We are very excited. So as you can see, quite some packaging, shockproof, really good. I always like that. So I see a smaller box, and I think I see the soundbar and the soundbars underneath there, and the subwoofer. So we have a small box here, and I think underneath there must be the soundbar. Let's take a look. Yes, there it is. So like I said, we already have some products from JBL. And what we really like about these products is that you can connect multiple speakers together. And that works really well. We use that quite often. So if you have a bit of a bigger house or you want music in every room, that's quite convenient. So when you already have some products from JBL, I could absolutely recommend to buy the soundbar as well from JBL. Look at that. It looks really nice. Really aesthetic look. You have some ports inside. Wow, looks really good. Wow. So, what's more in the box? I think this is a subwoofer. Let's take that one out. It's quite big subwoofer. So like I said, it's easy to connect these multiple speakers, so you can have music in every room, or when you put some music on the soundbar, or in the kitchen, you can place a smaller speaker as well. So if you're considering buying this soundbar, maybe you could also consider buying a smaller speaker as well to place like in another room or something like that. I can really recommend that, and like all the speakers from JBL are really well built. So let's take a look of the subwoofer. Let's take it out of the packaging. Ooh, wow, look at that. Also quite nice design. Looks amazing. Really nice. And the actual subwoofer is connected wireless with the soundbar. And the actual speakers on the bottom. So, yeah, looks really nice. Quite big, but looks really nice. So I think it fits in every house. Must be, yeah. Looks really nice. So we also have this small box. Let's see what's inside there. I think must be some cables or something. Yeah, I think this is the manual. Let's open it. Yes. Yes, this is the manual. So what's more in this small box? Quite excited. Okay, so we have the power cable, and this is an HDMI cable, another power cable, some batteries. Where are the batteries for? Of course, I think there we get our answer. And the remote controller, what's quite nice. And what's this? Okay, let's open this as well. Okay, so this is to install the soundbar to the wall if you want to do that. I don't think we're going to do that, but it's quite nice that it's in there. There's another one, so it goes with two of those. I think this is must be some screws. So let's install this one and see how that goes, how easy that is. So we just installed it. You have to download an actual app, the JBL One app, because it has to connect with Wi-Fi to connect the subwoofer. That was really easy, and the cable was plug and play. So if you install the app, it's quite easy. And let's demonstrate the sound. It sounds amazing. We're really happy with this. We can definitely recommend this. I hope this video helped, and I hope to see you next time for the next video. Cheers.